Oh gosh, it is a neat business. Glass is such a versatile material. I mean, there's so many things you can do with it, which gives a company like ours an unlimited number of avenues to, and it gives the artists or customers unlimited number of avenues to get into new and different things. Um, I think probably the favorite part of the day, two favorite part of the days. In the morning, we have tours that come through, and we get some field trips, grade school kids and homeschool groups and things like that. And to walk through the factory and hear a little boy when he sees that molten glass go, "Whoa, Mom, look at that!" That really makes it worthwhile. But then also at the end of the day, walking through the warehouse, there's a certain time of day when the sun's in a certain position coming through a window, and it just shines right down the row of racks, and you can see the light coming through all the different colored glass and textures. It's just like you realize that you're in the business of making beautiful things, and that's a real privilege to be able to make your living that way. And then the people. It's a fun industry because the people that we deal with, the customers, um, it's not just their business, but it's their passion, their art, and people are passionate about their projects. They're passionate about our product, which is really makes it just a fun, interesting, and gratifying business to be in.